Hello friends, welcome all to the Max lecture series. In this lesson, we are going to learn one more type of integration function. Just observe the question. Let us look into the solution for the question. The question is, the function f of x equal to x power minus 1 by 3, where a stands area of the function and x, it is x-axis. X means x-axis, whereas the value of x is varies from minus 1 to plus 1. Which of the following statements are true? If you observe, they are talking about, first one is whether the function is continuous or not within the given interval, whether it is bounded or not within the given interval, whether the area of the function is non-zero and finite or not. So they have given three options. What shall we do? Just observe. Apply your common sense. It's a very small question. First, let me tell you how to check the continuity. First of all, we know we are having standard procedure to check the continuity, but your common sense has to give the answer immediately. See there, 1 f of x equal to x power 1 minus 1 by 3 can be rewritten as 1 upon x power 1 by 3, and they told that the interval is minus 1 to plus 1. Within this closed interval, we have to cross check whether this function is continuous or not. What is the actual meaning of continuous? If you are taking certain limit, so given it is minus 1 to plus 1. So continuous function means it should be, the waveform may be looking like anything, it doesn't matter here, but all your values must be finite. You should not observe any discontinuity. That is called continuity. Now if you closely observe our function, tell me what will happen at x equal to 0. They have given the limit as minus 1 to plus 1. Between minus 1 to plus 1, definitely this function will cross 0 also. If I will replace x equal to 0 here, what will happen? F of 0 will be offering infinity or not? Then what will happen? Suddenly the given function will goes to infinity. After that, if you immediately observe after 0, if you are putting some other value like plus 0.5 plus 0.6, it will be giving finite values. It means what? At x equal to 0, there will be a discontinuity. Like what I would like to mean is, some function might be coming here. Suddenly at x equal to 0, it went to infinity. So you can observe there is a discontinuity. After that, again this function will be continuing like this. So exactly at x equal to 0, we are not observing any continuation in the function, there will be discontinuity. And also you have to observe the value of the function is approaching to infinity. It means we know this is unbounded value. First conclusion, this is unbounded within the closed interval. Between minus 1 to plus 1 only we are facing this unbounded value, and it is also discontinuous. So this function is unbounded and discontinuous. First conclusion. Okay sir, this function is unbounded and discontinuous. So they are telling that what they told, they have given so many things, right? So just we have to identify what are all the statements that are correct here. Okay, so let us continue with this. Okay sir, this function is not bounded. Option 2 is correct, but statement number 2 is correct, statement number 1 is wrong, right? Because we found that is unbounded, discontinuous. They said in statement number 1 it was given that it is continuous within the given interval. No, that is wrong. This is our common sense. Directly we can say for this function. Then area. In order to know the area of any random function, we will be using integration, because integration will be basically helping us to know the area of undefinite functions. So the given limit is minus 1 to plus 1, whereas the function has been defined as 1 by x power 3 into dx. Or you can also bring it to the numerator, not 1 by x power 3, that will be x power 1 by 3. Yes, into dx. You can also define directly minus 1 to plus 1. Tell me what will happen? X power minus 1 by 3 integration. This will give you x power minus 1 by 3 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 3 plus 1. Limits will be approaching from minus 1 to plus 1. Sir, how I am putting this? We know integration of x power n with respect to dx will be giving you x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. See that in place of n, we have minus 1 by 3, that's all. So from this it will be giving you x power 2 by 3, yes or no? Minus 1 by 3 plus 1 will become automatically 2 by 3 Here one more 3 by 2 will come in front of this function. See that denominator will be a constant. So in the denominator we will be having 2 by 3. So automatically to the numerator it will become 3 by 2. This is over. Now let us substitute the limits from minus 1 to plus 1. What will be happening? 3 by 2. Sir, when I am substituting plus 1 whole power 2 by 3, it will become plus 1 minus of minus 1 whole power 2 by 3. Tell me, what is the value of minus 1 whole power 2 by 3? What is the actual meaning of that? It actual meaning is we can write like this: minus 1 whole square whole power 1 by 3, in order to let you all to understand. Minus 1 whole square will become plus 1. Plus 1 whole power 3 will be giving you plus 1 only. Conclusion is this can be further written as, this can be further written as 3 by 2 in bracket 1 minus 1. So anyway this answer is going to be 0. What we can conclude from here? Sir, the value of area is 0. 0 means, is it finite value or infinite value? It is finite value. Area is finite and 0. That is the correct answer. They have given one more statement, right? Option C. Area is non-zero and finite. They said no, this is wrong. Area is 0. Of course it is finite only. 0 is finite value only, but the problem is that is 0. They said that is non-zero. Non-zero means they are assuming that some other values 5, 6, 10 like that, but unfortunately we got 0 only. So the conclusion is the one and only correct statement is option, second statement only. I hope you all understood. See, sometimes your questions solve direct type of questions will be given and you have to apply your common sense. Questions always be easy. The thing is you should be very conscious while solving the problem. This is all for this lecture. Remaining things you will see in the next class. Thank you all.